Hi everyone. Okay, now we are back with our same cube which we had organized in the last video wherein we sorted the cross, yellow cross, remember? Okay. Now here we need our target is to get all yellows in place, all right? Now in order to do that, first we need to examine our corners. Okay? So say for example, if we start with this blue and orange corner, is it placed correctly? Is it in the blue and orange centers? Obviously no, it's green and red centers, right? So we need to turn it around. And now one important point you got to keep in mind, whenever you solve the the yellow cross, the two corner pieces will always be aligned, will be in the correct positions. Okay, if you're lucky, all four might be aligned. If not, at least two will be in the correct positions. Okay, so let's see here which two are in the correct positions. Let's say here we find blue and red is blue and red, fine, so this is correct position. This is orange and blue, it matches blue and orange. Okay, so this orange and blue matches orange and blue, so these two seem to be in correct position. This one, orange is red and green here is green, so this is misaligned. And at the back, green matches green, red, oh this is orange, so we understand that these two are to be swapped. Okay, as I told you earlier on, once you have done the cross, you are sure to get two corner pieces at least in the correct slots. Okay, they may not face the right center pieces, that's a different story, we will sort it out, but they are in correct positions. Like see for example this one, blue, blue, red, red, right? And likewise this as well, orange to orange, blue to blue. Okay, only this two needs to be swapped. Sometimes these two corner pieces which need to be swapped may not be adjacent to each other like this, they might be diagonal to each other like this here. So if it's a diagonal situation to swap, all you have to do is repeat the adjacent swap twice. Okay, so if it's a diagonal situation, first adjacent swap will bring those diagonal pieces to adjacent slots, and then you will repeat and then it will be sorted. Okay, so now let's move on with the adjacent swap. Okay, now in order to do that, what you have to do is write algorithm 3 times first. Okay, so we say 1, 2, 3. Okay, then you turn it to your right and repeat with your left hand now 3 times. 2, 3. Okay, once you have done this, I'm sure we have solved it. If not, we will repeat the same step again. Okay, so let's see, orange and green, where are you? Orange and green, orange and green. Okay, orange and green is orange and green centerpiece, this is correctly placed. Then this one, red is red and green is green, so this two is correctly placed. Then look at this one, red to red, blue to blue, correctly placed. And then the fourth one, blue to blue and orange to orange, so all 4 pieces are correct positions, even though they don't match the colors yet, we need to flip them. All right, now once you have got this corner pieces in place, you turn it upside down. So it means opposite of yellow is white, remember, white goes up. Okay, once white is up, the yellow piece which needs to be flipped, remember now since yellow is pointing downwards, this yellow should face downwards, right? So what you got to do is perform a right algorithm How many times? Depends, until you see it down. That's it. So repeat the right algorithm on it as many times as required. Okay, right algorithm with your right hand. Okay, remember there are 4 steps to right algorithm. Okay, up, right, down, left. One time. Is it in place? No, not yet. Repeat. Is it in place? No, not yet. Repeat. Is it in place? No, not yet. Repeat. Is it in place? Yes. Came here, right? It's in place. Now look for another yellow. Okay, we found one more. Okay, we found one more yellow here. Repeat the right algorithm. Not in place. Repeat. Not in place. Repeat. Not in place. Repeat. Yes, it's in place now. Yellow facing downwards. Now can you see here only one left? So we again turn it around and see. Okay, there's one more yellow here, needs to be sorted. Okay, same thing. Repeat right. Keep repeating until you get the result. Okay, yay. So our yellow face is solved. Can you see? Now we turn the cube back. The yellow is facing top now again. Now we are lucky here. I think we have solved at least one face. Just turn it around. Can you see? One face is solved fully. Okay, other faces have got one odd edge piece in the top layer. Okay, now we need to solve that. Now in order to solve the final edge pieces, what we do, the solved face should point to you. Okay, if there's none of the solved faces, then you can just hold it the way you like it. All right, just ensure the the corner pieces are in the right positions, and you can hold it the way you like it. But if even one face has been solved, point it towards you. So now I point this right towards me and perform the right algorithm once. Okay, then I perform the left algorithm once. Okay, now I perform the right algorithm 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I perform left algorithm 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and 5 times we did this, and yay, our cube has been solved. Can you see this? All right, right, we did it. You did it. Great job. Okay, now I'll come up with some other videos with some tricks, sometimes to flip edges or to look at the misaligned pieces. All right, but if you follow these steps diligently, carefully, of course you'll have to repeat. And mind you, this is an absolute beginner's video. All right, so those of you who have been doing it for quite some time and are looking at some speed tricks, please skip this. All right, this is absolute beginner's video. That's why I go very slow. Some people might even get bored, I understand, But if you diligently, patiently follow this, you are slowly going to become an expert in twisting, turning, and solving any 3 by 3 cube. I thank you all for watching these videos. If you like these videos, please share and subscribe. And for the time being, it's bye from me. Stay tuned for next videos with next topics. Stay safe. Bye.